Time. It's our most precious resource. It's how we measure productivity and value efficiency. Business email is all about saving time. OX Calendar provides an easy overview of the availability of colleagues and friends. Click on Find a Free Time and quickly identify an available time for a meeting. One click and the appointment is set up. What's more, you can invite external participants and schedule resources, such as conference rooms and projectors, all at the same time. Share calendars with your team to quickly display availability to all other team members. You can even delegate your time management to somebody else completely. Business email. Take back control of your time.